The black-crested bulbul, Rubigula flaviventris, is a striking and colorful bird found across parts of South Asia and Southeast Asia, from India to Thailand and into Vietnam. One of the most distinguishing features of the black-crested bulbul is its brilliant yellow underparts, which contrast beautifully with its black head and crest. The crest itself is pointed and stands tall, giving the bird an elegant, almost regal appearance. The rest of its upper body is olive brown, blending well with its natural habitat. It has a medium-sized tail that is often flicked expressively, and its beady eyes stand out with a small, dark eye ring, adding to its sharp, alert look. Measuring about 19 to 20 centimeters in length, the black-crested bulbul is a medium-sized bulbul species. Its wings are broad and rounded, giving it agile flight, especially when navigating the dense undergrowth of forests. This species primarily inhabits tropical and subtropical forests, especially favoring areas with thick foliage and plenty of cover. While it can be found at lower elevations, it is most often spotted in montane forests up to about 1,200 meters. The bird prefers dense underbrush where it can feed on insects, fruits, and berries. Its diet is quite varied, including caterpillars, small insects, and various fruits like figs. The black-crested bulbul is also known to frequent orchards and plantations, where it can find abundant food sources. The song of the black-crested bulbul is a series of melodious, bubbling notes, often delivered from a concealed perch within dense foliage. It has a rich and varied repertoire, and its calls are often heard before the bird itself is seen. The song is used to communicate with other members of its species, marking territory and attracting mates. The bird's vocal nature makes it relatively easy to detect in the wild, despite its preference for staying hidden among the leaves. Breeding season for the black-crested bulbul typically takes place during the spring and summer months, although this can vary depending on the region. During this time, pairs form monogamous bonds, with both males and females participating in nest building. The nest is typically a cup-shaped structure made of grass, leaves, and other plant materials, and it is often placed in a bush or low tree. Females lay between 2 and 3 eggs, which are pale pinkish-white with reddish spots. Despite these challenges, the species continues to thrive in many parts of its range, thanks to its adaptability and wide variety of suitable habitats. In terms of behavior, the black-crested bulbul is a social species, often found in small groups or pairs. These groups are active and constantly on the move, foraging through the foliage for food.